Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here to introduce you to our brand new set of travel packs. We offer these for saddlebags as well as tour packs. These are a great addition for all you guys on the road. They are water resistant and just going to give you a little bit of ease when you're traveling around with all your luggage. Stuff's not going to be flying around in your bags or your tour packs. All right, let's jump into the lineup. Let's start with our Saddlebag travel packs. These bags here are going to work with our standard bags, your Harley stretch bags, aka the tapered bags. They'll also work with our HOGWORKZ stretch bags. Here we have our travel pack for the Lowrider ST bags. So these are a perfect fit for all you guys out there with the new Lowrider STs. Moving down here, we have our tour pack travel cases. This is going to fit our king pack, our chop pack, and it will fit into the RZR a little bit, but just don't pack it too tight because you got minimal space in the RZR tour pack.